Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. UBI LBO interview, the list of documents which are required at the time of interview, and actually this time bank is going to conduct the document verification along with the language proficiency test for the people those who are going for LPT, and for the remaining people also document verification process will be conducted before the interview. ठीक है, इंटरव्यू से पहले आपकी कंप्लीट होने वाली है. So the list of document which are required for the interview, I am going to give you clear idea. Along with that, one very important information, just at a price of 1231 rupees after discount, you are able to join UBI LBO interview of mine available on the Guidely platform, where you will get the opportunity to give the mock interview one with me, along with all the live classes, banking awareness session, each and every data which is required for the preparation of your interview will be available within the batch. तो हर एक चीज आपका बैच में अवेलेबल है. Second thing, you will be able to give the mock interview too in the regional language. So we have currently the option of Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, English and Hindi. These are the languages which you can opt for the second mock interview. I hope the statement is clear. अब मैं आपको फटाफट से बता देता हूँ डॉक्यूमेंट के लिए आपको क्या क्या चीजें कलेक्ट करके रखनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, print out of the interview call letter. The day I am doing this video, your call letters are not out. अभी तक कॉल लेटर नहीं आए हैं तो परेशान मत होना. UBI will issue the call letter soon. So once the call letter of interview will be out, you need to download it, take the print out. तो ये होगा आपका फर्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग, सिस्टम जनरेटेड ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म registered for the recruitment process. So at the time of application of UBI LBO, you have filled one application form. That application form printout also you need to carry with you. And I know that most of you are not able to find, sir, I don't know where did I saved it. Sir, I don't have application form. I forgot to save it at the time of application. So bank provide you option for reprinting or re-downloading the application form just before the interview. तो इंटरव्यू के पास पहुंचते पहुंचते तक आपको मिल जाएगा एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म रीप्रिंट करने का एक ऑप्शन. तो वहां से रीप्रिंट करना, फिर प्रिंट आउट निकालना, क्योंकि मुझे पता है 80% लोगों ने सेव करके अच्छे से नहीं रखा है. ठीक है. थर्ड है प्रूफ ऑफ डेट ऑफ बर्थ. सो डेट ऑफ बर्थ प्रूफ, बेस्ट थिंग टू कैरी विथ यू इज योर 10th क्लास मार्कशीट. 10th क्लास मार्कशीट. ठीक है. मैं एक ही पॉइंट बताऊंगा विच विल बी इजी टू रिमेंबर. सो 10th क्लास मार्कशीट विल वर्क एज अ योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट. वो आपको कैरी करना है. डेट ऑफ बर्थ प्रूफ एक्चुअली. सो 10th क्लास मार्कशीट. देन आईडी प्रूफ विच यू नीड टू कैरी. सो आईडी प्रूफ जो है इसमें आपके पास होना चाहिए वैलिड आधार कार्ड. आधार यू कैन कैरी विथ यू. After that, DL you can carry with you. So driving license, I would suggest one point Aadhaar is best. Carry your Aadhaar card with you. That will act as your ID proof. इसके बाद आ रहा है marksheet, certificate, degree for the education qualification, proper document of the board, university having declared the result was announced on or before 13th of November 2024. It means your graduation has to be completed. They are asking about the graduation degree. Your graduation degree has to be completed before 13th of November 2024. अब देखिए पॉइंट सुनिए. So in the mark sheets, what are the things required? 10th class mark sheet आपकी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. 12th class mark sheet आपकी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. After that, graduation. So graduation, either you have your consolidated mark sheets with you, one consolidated mark sheet provided by few university, otherwise you have your semester wise mark sheets, sem wise mark sheets. ठीक है, original. So sem wise mark sheet. Otherwise if you have your year wise mark sheet, don't worry, everything is required. means that anything whatever your university provides you, वो चीज आपको कैरी करना है. तो मैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट में लेकर चल रहा हूं. Same wise mark sheets you need to carry. Second thing, degree. It is more important. Graduation degree I am talking about. Graduation degree. Now if you do not have your final degree with you, at least provisional degree you need to carry with you. They will ask you to submit either provisional or final degree. Any one of them is necessary. इंटरव्यू दे डू नॉट अलाउ विदाउट ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री. डिग्री के बिना वो आपको अलाउ नहीं करते हैं. does not matter you have consolidated mark sheet, does not matter you have all the mark sheet. If you do not have your graduation degree, you will not be allowed to give the interview. This is most important point. At least provisional degree you need to submit. ये at least वाला point है, at least provisional degree you need to submit. If you have provisional, they will allow you to give the interview, don't worry. ठीक है, तो ये याद रखिएगा. चलो आगे मूव करें. यहां तक आई थिंक मैंने क्लियर किया ये पॉइंट. Latest caste certificate to be issued by the competent authority in the prescribed format of the government of India in case of SC, ST, OBC category. इसके बारे में मैं डिटेल में भी बताऊंगा लास्ट में. So wait for this. I will discuss this in detail in the last of the video. Candidate belonging to the OBC category but coming under the creamy layer and in other cases caste do not find place in the central list are not the candidate eligible for the OBC reservation. So if you are there in the OBC but not there in the central list of OBC, you will not be allowed, as the OBC candidate in that category. तो आपको OBC candidate की कैटेगरी में नहीं रखा जाएगा. They shall be classified as general in the online application form. ये देखो, इन्होंने application form में इन्होंने starting में ही बोला था that you need to apply in a general category in the application form itself. ठीक है, तो आप अगर creamy layer में हैं और if you are not there in the central list as a OBC, then you will not eligible for the OBC, you will not be eligible for the OBC reservation. ये point इन्होंने बोला है. ठीक है, EWS for the EWS candidate also they need to submit the document. So these are the most important document. I'll tell you. आपका जो एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म है, कॉल लेटर है, आफ्टर दैट डिग्री है, ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री दैट इज, एंड आफ्टर दैट योर कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. दोज हु हैव अप्लाइड फ्रॉम अनरिजर्व्ड और जनरल, दे डोंट रिक्वायर एनी कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट, डोंट वरी. जिन्होंने अनरिजर्व्ड से अप्लाई किया है उनके लिए कोई भी कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट नहीं चाहिए. इसके बाद अब बात आती है एनओसी की, नॉन ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट. सो हु नीड टू प्रेजेंट द एनओसी? एनओसी विल बी प्रेजेंटेड बाय एनीवन हु इज currently working, who is already working either with government of India or any government body, either directly with the government of India like Indian Railway or any quasi government body like SEBI type of organization, public sector undertaking like SBI, PNB or any other bank or any other public sector insurance company if you are working with LIC or any other insurance company. So you need to get the NOC. In that case, you need to submit the NOC. Even if you are working with the state government also, they ask you NOC. If you are working with the state government as well, as a permanent employee, then also they will ask you NOC. So government employees need to present the NOC. For NOC, you need to apply today itself, so you will be able to get in the next 5 to 8 days. तो वो आपको ध्यान से रखना है. ठीक है. Now the competent authority for issuing the SC, ST, OBC, economically weaker section and the person with the disability, इन सारे लोगों के लिए competent authority बोला है. Scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC. DM, district magistrate, that is collector, additional district magistrate, then collector उन्हीं को बोल देते हैं, and deputy commissioner, additional deputy commissioner, after that city magistrate, SDM, not below the rank of first class officer, at least should be on the first class officer rank. Then taluka magistrate, executive magistrate, extra assistant commissioner, revenue officer can also issue but should not be less than tehsildar rank. At least tehsildar should be there who is issuing your document. Document should be in the central format. Central format में आपका document होना चाहिए. Language does not matter. Even your document is in Kannada but it is there in the central format, it is fine. It is fine, completely fine. वो fine है, it will be acceptable. Then economically weaker section also, there is a list. Person with the disability, there is a list. And candidate, those who are belong to the SC, ST, OBC category have to submit the certificate at the time of interview. It is necessary, otherwise you will be disqualified from the interview. Similarly, for the disability also, district medical officer, in case of person with the benchmark disability category, उनका certificate चाहिए, district medical officer का. ठीक है. Candidates will not be allowed to appear in the interview if he or she failed to produce the relevant eligibility document as per the above mentioned. तो मैंने जो पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट का लिस्ट आपको सिंप्लीफाई करके बता दिया है, that document you need to carry. ठीक है. कोई आपको अलग से कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट नहीं चाहिए, सो नो कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट रिक्वायर्ड सेपरेटली टू बी साइंड और समथिंग, नथिंग. ऑल दीज डॉक्यूमेंट यू नीड टू क्रिएट 4 सेट आप इसके क्रिएट करिए, 1 ओरिजिनल, 4 जेरोक्स. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 4 डिफरेंट सेट. So 1 original with that 4 Xerox you need to create at least, and self signature means self attested you need to do. So all the document will be self attested, आपको self attested करना है, ठीक है. No document will be sent directly by the candidate to the bank. Bank को either before the interview or after interview you cannot send any document to the bank directly. There is no use of that. So all the document has to be presented at the time of interview. ये point है. Interview batches live, I have informed you about this. So prepare well, give your mock interview properly in the regional language you have applied. All the best for your interview, guys. I'll be meeting you back in the next video. Till that time, keep watching IIT. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best. And do write if any other query you have and you want me to clear that doubt, write in the comment box. Take care. Jai Hind.